Hi, I will show you how to show your Spotify on your Discord. First, you have to go to settings. Now go to connections and then click the Spotify icon. Now it shows here that I am connected on Spotify. This happens if you are already logged in with your Spotify account on your browser, so it will automatically connect. But if you are not logged in, you will be asked to log in. Now it says I am connected. We can go back to Discord and it will show the Spotify setting here. Now to show the Spotify song that you are listening, you have to turn this on display on profile. And that's it. Let's try it out. Hit escape. It's not showing it here yet. Let's try playing a song on Spotify. Now you can see that it will show here that you are listening to Spotify. When someone clicks on it, it will show what song you are listening to Spotify. And that's all guys. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.